Hello, in this video we are going to see an example of how to run test and distribute test over Selenium grid infrastructure. So let's download a Selenium server jar file. So yeah, here is the jar file. So let's download the jar file. Let's download it, and it's downloaded now. Go to download folder, copy, and go to project directory and paste over here. This is just for illustration purpose. By the way, this should be in system path settings. So let's run the Selenium server instance using this command, java -jar standalone command, java jar selenium, and then standalone. Okay. Oh, it should be java, not java. Okay, there is a typo, so let's correct it and rerun the command, and this will start a standalone server, and it will also give us an URL and this server URL. Okay, so this server is ready to receive Selenium commands from remote machine or local machine. In my case, I'm sending commands from local machine. So if you want to distribute your test suite along with Selenium server grid, so this way we can use hyphen grid switch and pass the server URL, and here we can see now tests are distributed over Selenium grid server. So that's it about running and distributing tests over Selenium grid infrastructure. So results are ready. Here we can see the results are ready. Everything else is same, just the difference is that now the tests are distributed over Selenium grid infrastructure. So we need to use hyphen grid switch. Thank you.